Ever been in a hurricane or flood and had major damage to your home and didn't know what to do? Are you sure you're fully protected by your home insurance? From floods to earthquakes and even slow leaks, there are some surprising exclusions you need to know about. In this video, we'll break down 9 things your home insurance probably doesn't cover and what you can do to protect yourself. Luxury isn't just a lifestyle, it's an experience. I'm Dario Lorenzo, a dedicated global real estate advisor with Russ Lyon Sotheby's International Realty right here in Scottsdale, Arizona. Let's find your dream home or sell your property for top dollar. Reach out today and let's make it happen. Let's start with floods. While your home insurance will cover water damage from something like a burst pipe, it won't cover flooding caused by excessive rain, hurricanes, or overflowing rivers. Flood insurance is a separate policy. If you live in a flood-prone area, it's essential to get covered through the National Flood Insurance Program. Earthquake damage also isn't covered under standard policies. You'll need a separate earthquake policy and possibly additional landslide insurance if you live in high-risk areas. Many insurers offer discounts for making your home more earthquake resistant, so ask about those options too. Here's a tricky one: slow leaks. Insurance policies often exclude damage caused by ongoing leaks, also known as seepage and leakage. If it's not sudden and accidental, you might be out of luck. Mold coverage depends on what caused it. If mold results from a covered event, like water from a burst pipe, you're likely covered. But if it's from flooding or neglect, your policy won't help. Sewer and drain backups can cause costly messes, but they're usually not covered under a standard policy. Adding a sewer backup endorsement can give you extra protection. Insurance is for emergencies, not normal wear and tear. Regular maintenance is key to avoiding bigger, costlier problems down the line. If you're doing major renovations, like removing the roof or rebuilding, you'll need a builder's risk policy. Standard insurance won't cover damage or liability during construction. Historic homes can come with unique challenges. Repairs might need special materials approved by a historical society, and your insurance might not cover the extra costs. Finally, damage caused by acts of war isn't covered. However, most policies will cover destruction from acts of terrorism, so you're protected there. Understanding what your home insurance does and doesn't cover is essential to protecting your home and finances. Talk to your provider about additional coverage if you live in high-risk areas. Review your policy, stay prepared, protect your home. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps us out. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you know someone who could use this information, share this video with them. Your support helps our channel grow.